this is Smisha's View, and I have another, I guess, gadget to review. So this is the unboxing of the V11 Dyson, which I'm looking really forward to. At the moment, I have a V6, which I guess the longevity of vacuuming has kind of reduced over time. So it's got a little bit old now, and I've heard loads of reviews about the V11, so felt that I would purchase this one and see where we go with this. So the one I've got at the moment is the Absolute. I'll just sort of show you the box here. And this is my unboxing, so any feedback or comments you may want to give me, please feel free down below and I will respond as and when I can. So let's see what's inside. Obviously quite easy to unravel. QR code, which I'm assuming is just to talk about, guarantee and helpful guides. That's quite useful and easy. So we have quite a few compartments. So here we go, there's a couple of brushes there. I'm assuming this will be part of the actual vacuum. Oh, very bright in colour, as you can see. What else have we got going on? Wow. This must be one of the main, I'm assuming, brushes to go on the bottom. Really loving the colour of this. And here is the top part. So the main reason of why I've decided to go for this one is actually two things. One is the longevity of, apparently this can give you up to 60 minutes vacuuming time, but also the main part is that it can go onto different types of flooring automatically, so you don't necessarily need to change anything. So as you can see, I've just assembled that in 2 seconds, so that looks great. Not sure what part of the brush I have, but what I will be doing is coming back to you and giving a bit of a trial once this is charged of how it works. So I shall see what else we've got in here. So one more thing, 1 second. See what else we've got going on. This might be another, oh yeah, this also looks like another brush of some description. So I'm going to see what these are about and I'll be back to kind of talk you through all of these. So see you shortly.